Welcome to another episode of The Consistency Queen. My name is Elsa Morgan. Thank you for being here. Today, I want to talk to you about the number one thing that separates people or high achieving women who go on to achieve six figures plus in business in these times and those that don't, and constantly see themselves in a loop over and over and over again. And the reason why I want to bring it down to one thing, because I truly do believe it does come down to this. And if you are able to really understand where you sit when it comes to this one thing, maybe it might explain the reasons why you are not where you want to be. Maybe it might explain why certain things have not worked out the way that you have wanted them to work out. Maybe it might help you to understand what it truly takes to build and scale a six-figure business. You see, six figures is one of the key milestones in any business. And then after that is, 500,000 and then a million and then 5 million and then, 10 million. But let me tell you, as my own company heads towards 3 million, and we've been in business since mid 2021, and us being able to achieve six figures consistently many times over 12 months, every 12-month period, there are some very obvious things that I can see, certainly from a mentor point of view, and now having done this for several years and having been in the online space for over 10 years, I can certainly see what actually works and what doesn't work, and what's actually true and what isn't true. And I can also tell very quickly whether somebody is really going to achieve it in terms of six figures and beyond, and who needs maybe a little bit more help. But here's the thing, by and by, there is one thing that really does separate those that do hit it and those that don't. And it is whether you have made the decision to build a six-figure business. It is one thing to actually want to build a six-figure business, or you like the idea of having a six-figure business because with the lifestyle that it comes with, and being able to, have a level of financial freedom, depending on, how you manage your finances, but also a level of time freedom as well, and being able to build a business from home potentially, or traveling as well. But making a decision to build it is a commitment that very few understand. Because when you actually truly commit, when you truly decide, and you've made the decision that you will no longer stay where you are, you prioritize your six-figure business like air to breathe. That nothing comes in the way of you building this. That just like you taking a shower every day, just like you getting your children ready to go to school, just like you preparing dinner, your business is a priority. Like, you show up for that every day. You give it energy, you give it focus. You don't quit on hard days. You make meaning out of the lessons and you use it to your advantage so that way you can get better. You actively work on your skill set. You do research to be able to understand what's happening in your industry, so then that way you can further your knowledge and better service your clients, your customers, and anyone else that your program, service, or opportunity caters to. You treat it like a business. But what I see by and by is there are a lot of women with incredible potential, and because things haven't quite gone their way, or things are not moving as fast as they would like, they fail to recognize that all of those things are necessary for their own individual personalized journey, and will look sideways at what other people are doing, and then making judgments or assessments around their own journey and making a comparison. And then they think, well, obviously what I'm doing is not working, so I'll look at something else, or I'll just quit altogether. You haven't decided if you quit because somebody else is winning. You haven't decided if your business is not producing the results that you desire, and then this is too hard, I'm going to quit. When you decide to build a 6-figure plus business. You are building it because you believe in what you do. You believe in the value that you bring to the marketplace. You understand that all the setbacks, all the challenges, all the things that have not gone your way are actually by design. You understand that everything that has happened until this point is preparing you for the business that you see in your mind, the business that you desire, that's going to fund your lifestyle, that's going to fund your freedom, that's going to help you to travel and spend more time with your family. But when you look at your business that you are building towards 6 figures, and you look at it from a vantage point, I have so much to go, I have so much to learn, I've worked so hard, I'm not getting anywhere. Well, firstly, I'm going to say welcome to entrepreneurship, because it does take work. And there are going to be times where it may feel like you are doing more than what you would probably do at a job, at a regular job. But the benefits of building your own business, that you get to do what you want to do. You get to position yourself how you want to position yourself. You get to work from wherever you want to work. You get to show up. I see this as fun and create content. You get to talk to people every single day from all around the world. Like, I get to speak to clients from Canada, from South Africa, from New Zealand, from Wales, from Australia, from the United States, from London, from all over the world. And I build this from home. I started this from scratch. And when I decided that I was building this, I didn't say I'm building this only if it works. I'm building this because I believe in what I bring to the marketplace. I believe that this is going to change the world. I believe that I can make a meaningful difference to women's lives. That is what I committed to, and that was the decision. I also made a decision that if I was going to do this, I was going to show to my children what's possible when you do something that you believe in so much that you will put all your energy and focus into it to see what's possible and show them about what it takes to build something that is meaningful for them. And so if you're looking at this and wondering, hey, I want to build a 6-figure business. I've been at it for so long. I'm a high achieving female, and yet I haven't gotten anywhere near 5-figure months. I'm someone that has invested in myself, and none of those things have worked. I ask you, have you made a decision? Have you truly decided that you are going to move from where you are today? No matter what. No matter whether you invest in programs that don't work for you, no matter whether you've had a month of not the things that you want, where things haven't gone your way, whether you attract the right clients, not the right clients, whether there are leads, there are no leads, whether things are working for you, not working for you, you are still showing up and building this because you know that your work matters. You know that you can make a meaningful difference to the world, and you know deep down inside that what you do is going to change women's lives, and that is why you must move. When you think at that level, globally, the impact, how it's going to change lives, you know that you have made a decision. But if you're making it about you and what benefits only you, like it only benefits you, that's not what business is about, and certainly not a 6-figure plus one. To be able to consistently achieve 6 figures, year upon year, quarter upon quarter, month upon month, however you achieve it, it's going to require you to help a lot of people. And so you have to be servant in nature. You have to want to help people, and you have to want to stay the course, stick to the plan, and stop switching strategies after 3 months. You've got to be committed to the process of growth. You've got to be committed to become the version that achieves it. And you've also got to be committed to help a lot of people win, because it's through helping them win that you get to win. So In essence, the number one separator is whether you've made a decision or not. And if you've made a decision, you just need to keep going. You need to keep going. You need to trust in your plan, and you need to trust in yourself, more importantly. But if you haven't made a decision and you keep opting in and out, you keep quitting on hard days, you keep switching from thing to thing, today is the day that you make the decision that no matter what, you're moving from where you are. And I ask you to not only make a decision to build this for yourself, for your family, for all the people that you're going to impact, but if you really want to fast track, align yourself with someone that has a proven framework to get you there, that truly understands how to market and to be able to monetize your business, your brand, and social media in today's age. Because, 2020, 2021 strategies do not work. So make sure that you are familiarizing yourself with what does work. So I hope this has helped you. I hope this has given you some aha moments, some insights, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. I will say this though, if you are wanting to fast track to 6 figures before the end of this year, now is the time that you reach out to me, because I have 2 exclusive opportunities for you to work with me, and I can help you to fast track to 6 figures. With a proven plan, you have exclusive access to me, you have an exclusive messenger app through WhatsApp where you can ask me questions at any time about your business and I get to answer them. And you'll get relevant, up-to-date strategies that are going to help you move the needle and generate leads on a regular, daily basis. Now's the time that you reach out to me. Go to workwithelsa.com, schedule in a call, and let's have a conversation. I'll see you then.